Okay, at that time, one of my Arabian party become he called me that there is a match tonight, so I should pull over, I should come so that we can go and play basketball together in a league. I don't know, I wasn't part of the team, but he just invited me to come and play. So, guys, let's go. Guys, I'm almost there. That's the court. That's the location that he has sent me. I can see some people there playing basketball. It's like they are now doing the settings. They are setting things up. You can see they are setting I think that's where the scoreline will be displayed. Some other guys playing basketball, and that's the court. And the court isn't bad though. Obviously, they are bringing all the things. This is what I bought for myself. Here, since I've come to Saudi Arabia, I've never touched basketball. So I have to do some stretch my body out to make sure that I'm fit to play tonight. And here you can see making sure that the muscles are active for the game. Enjoy. Yeah, the match is about to start. I was like, let me show myself some more. Handsome boy. Very handsome. Yeah, hit to the dunk on them.
Clear. Tumira ng parking lot. Wala. Nakuha din nilaban. Cordero. Salamat po sa ating sponsor. Bambam. Pag may Bambam, may tubig. Maraming sa... Ano? Peralta. Pasujar. Wala. Nakuha ni... Irving. Pasulandero. Wala. Nakuha ni number 6. Cordero. Last 2 minutes for the second quarter. Cordero. Pass to Irving.
Wow!
Wala. Nakuha ni Cordero. Cordero. Irving. Tumira. Nakuha ni Cordero. Irving. Pass to Bogoy. Bogoy. Tumira. Nice to 2 by Bogoy. Muhammad. Muhammad. Pass to Bogoy. To Muhammad. Wow, nice for 2 by
Black Mamba ng Bisan. Lumiyak. Wala. Okay, last touch by Bolero. Inbound by Bam Bam. Nasa labas na pala siya. Hindi niya nakita ang linya. Bagong Black Mamba. Tinukuyok. Pinasa kay Mokoy.
Charlie, the Filipino they play. Check now, me they play give the Arab show, Charlie. You know, the my friends this of course they mark me. Then see me how they try for the game so they mark me. See, they know they play defense. Yeah, defense.
Another one with sad.
Yeah, defense is our problem.
Pinasa kay Grande.
Because we don't come on defense.
Pinasa kay Nalagon.
Look at how the defense is.
Wala. Na-rebound ni
Everybody is just standing.
Mokoy.
Filipino people there.
Rebound by Mokoy. Pinababa kay Mokoy. Pinasa kay Moanat.
This is my team will score right here.
Shout out po sa 2,000 million viewers. Foul by
Bam Alibayo.
Bam. John. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Nakita ni Mohanat. Kuha ni De Vera binababa at binabantayan ni Alcantara. Nakakuha ni Alcantara, pinasa ulit kay Mohanat. Binigay kay Black Mamba. Tumira ng 3 pa nga. Wala. Nalibag, tumama sa ulo. Si Clippers. Wala. Umulit pa ulit. Umulit pa ulit. Nakadalawang rebound si Clifford ha. Dapat dilistan yun. Oo, kaso dalawang supply. Emil, pinasa kay Alcantara, tumira. Wala. Rebound by. Na-steal pa nga. Pinasa.
Bigay mo.
Ginagawa. Uy! No look pass! Counted mo. Wala. Sayang.
Takbo na.
Highlights yun, highlights. Sorry. Tumira si Peralta. Tatapik ulitin. Yan to shoot. Paste. Wow. Sampunan lamang. 57-47. Mohanat, nagbababa ng bola. Good for 2.
Defense.
Di pa kayo nag-timeout, diba? Okay. Sige, doon na. Okay na. Mamaya. Binababa po ni Emil. Kumo-crossover. Emil, lumipad. Supply. Last touch by Grande. 8 seconds. Next.
Tawag passer kayo.
8 seconds. Uy, still by Mohanat. Uy, Bam, wala. Si Emil ay nag-drive. Wow. Ano sabi?
Pad.
Ay. Toby? Uy. Jade?
Guys, we just play back, Charlie. No go right then squads. We just 10 difference. Only 10 difference. 80-70. The new team where they form where they can't enter the league inside where they invite me. Right now, for another league they play, so me are tired they go. So I the league there. basketball. Very tired.
Really tired, eh? Oh.
Now I've got a car, I'm going back home.
Tomorrow you
Come again? No,
Come
no, no,
again?
no, no. Going to duty
what's the thing?
and working at McDonald's.
McDonald's?
Alsways.
Alsways.
Alsways McDonald's.
Yeah. You're coming to tomorrow this basket.
No, 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 no.
You are this
This.
why is that
Yeah.
I'm going to Kirgit.
Okay.
مرة مشكلة.
Oh, okay, I understand.